So other informations po for student permits. So una is you are allowed to work po 20 hours per week. And then yung proof of funds mo. And then yung sponsorship. And then kung may dependents ka, bawa asawa, yun po yun. Sila po ay open work permit holders. Ang mga anak, if you have kids, SP din po yung mga anak nyo. Student permits din po sila. And then home ties po. Yun po yung family ties mo in the Philippines. Or from which country of origin po kayo nanggaling. And then government contributions. Pag-ibig, SSS, PhilHealth, and tenure of contracts, and letter of leave of absence sa university or company na pinagtatrabahuan mo, yun. Or pwede din po yun. And then personal life insurance, pwede din po yun siya. So, yun sa proof of funds naman po, kailangan po doon bank statements, payslips, NOA for sponsors, and then mga pay stubs, yun. Employment letters, yun po siya. Kasi the more numbers po ang higher po ang family members, mas malaki po ang kailangan. So,